Cleaning leaves, dust, dirt, and debris should not feel like a full workout. Dragging heavy gas blowers, dealing with fumes, cords, noise, and constant maintenance turns a simple task into a headache. That is exactly why TornadoPro handheld leaf blower was created. It is a compact, ultra-lightweight, cordless power blower that delivers professional-grade cleaning power in the palm of your hand. With just one button press, TornadoPro clears messes in seconds and replaces multiple tools with one powerful device that works anywhere, anytime. What is TornadoPro handheld leaf blower? TornadoPro Handheld. Leaf blower is a high-performance cordless power blower designed to handle over 20 different cleaning and maintenance jobs around your home, garage, yard, and vehicle. It combines industrial-grade airflow technology with a lightweight, portable design that fits comfortably in one hand. Unlike traditional bulky gas blowers or weak cordless alternatives, TornadoPro delivers massive airflow using a 33,000 RPM brushless motor. This allows it to move wet leaves, gravel, sawdust, grass clippings, dust, and debris with ease. It is powerful enough to replace most gas blowers while being quiet, clean, and easy to use. TornadoPro is not just a leaf blower. It is a 4-in-1 tool that functions as a power blower, power bank, flashlight, and ultra-fast air pump. It runs on a high-capacity 7,500 mAh lithium battery that provides up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Because it is electric, TornadoPro produces no fumes, no exhaust, and no dangerous emissions. That makes it safe for indoor use in garages, workshops, and enclosed spaces. It also requires zero maintenance. There is no gas to buy, no oil to change, no spark plugs, and no winterization. From clearing driveways and patios to detailing your car, cleaning your garage, inflating pool toys, drying decks, and blowing dust from tools and vents, TornadoPro is designed to be the one tool you reach for every day. How does TornadoPro work? TornadoPro uses compact industrial airflow technology similar to what is found in large commercial blowers that cost thousands of dollars and weigh over 40 pounds. The difference is that TornadoPro compresses that power into a lightweight handheld device. At the heart of TornadoPro is a premium brushless motor that spins at 33,000 revolutions per minute. This motor generates air speeds over 100 miles per hour, creating a powerful concentrated airflow that blasts away dirt, dust, and debris instantly. The airflow is directed through a precision nozzle that focuses the air into a strong jet stream. This allows TornadoPro to lift heavy wet leaves, blow gravel off driveways, clear sawdust from workbenches, and remove debris from tight corners and hard-to-reach areas. The high-density 7,500 mAh lithium battery supplies consistent power throughout the runtime. Unlike cheap blowers that lose strength as the battery drains, TornadoPro maintains strong airflow until the battery is depleted. The battery also doubles as a power bank, allowing you to charge your phone or other devices 2 to 3 times. A built-in LED flashlight provides bright illumination for working in dark garages, under cars, or during power outages. For inflatables, TornadoPro switches into air pump mode and delivers high-speed airflow to quickly inflate pool floats, air mattresses, and sports equipment. Everything is controlled with a simple trigger and intuitive buttons. There are no cords to untangle, no pull starts, and no complicated setup. Just grab it, press the button, and start cleaning. Features and benefits of TornadoPro. TornadoPro delivers professional-grade performance in a compact, user-friendly design that makes everyday cleanup faster, easier, and more convenient. The most impressive feature is its powerful 33,000 RPM brushless motor. This motor provides enough airflow to replace bulky gas blowers while remaining lightweight and easy to control. You get industrial-level cleaning power without the weight, noise, fumes, and maintenance. The advanced lithium battery provides up to 45 minutes of runtime depending on usage. On low to medium power, you can expect 25 to 35 minutes of continuous operation. On maximum power, you still get 15 to 20 minutes of nonstop blasting. For light mixed use, many users report 30 to 45 minutes of solid work on a single charge. TornadoPro is designed to be virtually silent compared to traditional blowers. It operates between 60 and 85 decibels depending on power level. That is similar to a vacuum cleaner or normal conversation. You can use it early in the morning or late at night without disturbing neighbors or needing ear protection. The ergonomic grip and balanced design make TornadoPro comfortable to hold with one hand. It weighs only a few pounds, similar to a cordless drill, which means no sore shoulders, no tired wrists, and no fatigue after long cleaning sessions. Its 4-in-1 functionality replaces multiple tools. You get a power blower for cleaning, a power bank for charging devices, a flashlight for dark spaces, and an air pump for inflatables. This saves money, space, and time. TornadoPro is completely maintenance-free. There is no gas, no oil, no filters, and no tune-ups required. Simply wipe it clean after use and store it indoors. Because it is electric, TornadoPro is safe for indoor use. There are no fumes or exhaust, making it perfect for garages, workshops, car detailing, and home cleaning. The premium brushless motor is engineered for long-term durability. It uses the same professional-grade components found in industrial equipment that cost hundreds of dollars. With proper care, TornadoPro is built to last 5 to 8 years or more. With a satisfaction rate of 97% and over 2,800 5-star reviews, TornadoPro has been tested by real homeowners, professionals, and DIYers who rely on it daily. How to use TornadoPro. Using TornadoPro is simple and straightforward. It is designed so anyone can operate it without technical knowledge or complicated instructions. First, charge the battery using the included fast charger. A full charge takes about 2 hours and provides enough power for multiple cleaning jobs. Once charged, insert the battery into the blower and make sure it is securely locked in place. Next, choose the nozzle attachment based on the job you are doing. Use the standard nozzle for general cleaning and debris removal. Use the extension nozzle for gutters and tight spaces. Use the air pump attachment for inflating pool toys and air mattresses. Turn on the blower by pressing the power button. Adjust the airflow level depending on the task. Use lower power for dusting and indoor cleaning. Use maximum power for wet leaves, gravel, and heavy debris. Hold the blower at a slight angle and guide the airflow toward the debris. The concentrated jet stream will lift and push debris away in seconds. For car detailing, aim the nozzle at vents, carpets, door jambs, wheel wells, and engine bays to remove dust and dirt without scratching surfaces. For garage and workshop cleaning, blow sawdust and shavings off benches, tools, and floors. For outdoor cleaning, clear driveways, patios, decks, garden beds, and walkways quickly and easily. When finished, turn off the blower and wipe it clean if necessary. Store it in a dry place indoors. That is all there is to it. No cords, no fuel, no maintenance, no mess. TornadoPro pros and cons. TornadoPro offers many advantages that make it one of the most versatile and practical tools for homeowners, professionals, and DIYers. One of its biggest strengths is its power. Despite its small size, it delivers airflow comparable to large gas blowers. It easily handles wet leaves, gravel, dust, and heavy debris. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use for extended periods without fatigue. You can operate it with one hand and move freely without being tied to cords. The quiet operation allows you to use it at any time of day without disturbing others. The 4-in-1 functionality adds incredible value. You get a blower, power bank, flashlight, and air pump in one device. The long battery life means you can finish most jobs on a single charge. The zero maintenance design saves money and eliminates the hassle of fuel, oil, and repairs. It is safe for indoor use thanks to its electric, fume-free operation. The only limitation is that it is designed for residential and light commercial use, not for clearing massive commercial properties all day long, like industrial backpack blowers. However, for most homeowners, garages, patios, and small yards, it is more than powerful enough. Another consideration is that high power mode drains the battery faster, but this is expected for any high-performance cordless tool. Overall, TornadoPro delivers exceptional performance with very few downsides. Price and where to buy TornadoPro is available exclusively through the official website. It is not sold on Amazon or in retail stores, which helps ensure you receive a genuine product with full warranty and customer support. The current pricing offers several bundle options depending on your needs. A single unit is priced at $79.99 plus shipping. A buy one, get one 50% off bundle is available for $149.99 with free shipping. The buy two, get one free package costs $199.98 with free shipping. Every order includes a 60-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. If TornadoPro does not make your life easier, you can return it for a full refund. The company even covers return shipping. Orders ship within 24 to 48 hours and typically arrive within 3 to 5 business days in the United States. To ensure you receive the latest discounts, genuine product, warranty, and fast shipping, it is recommended to purchase directly from the official website. TornadoPro conclusion. If you are tired of dragging out heavy gas blowers, dealing with fumes, noise, and constant maintenance, TornadoPro is the upgrade you have been waiting for. It delivers serious cleaning power in a lightweight cordless design that replaces multiple tools with one simple device. From yard work and garage cleanup to car detailing and home maintenance, TornadoPro makes every job faster and easier. With its long battery life, quiet operation, and zero maintenance, it is one of the smartest tool investments you can make for your home.